In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use if statements in Smartsheet. Let's jump right in by opening your Smartsheet workspace and heading to the sheet where you want this to work. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that, then open the specific sheet you'll be editing. Next, click the cell where you want the result of your if statement to appear. Before you type anything, make sure this column type supports formulas. Regular text number columns are perfect. Avoid system-generated columns, since those can't take formulas. Now start the formula by typing an equal sign, followed by if and an opening parenthesis. Smartsheet will usually capitalize functions for you, and that's fine. The basic layout is if, then your condition, then what to return if the condition is true, and what to return if it's false. For example, you could write, if the status at this row equals completed, return done, otherwise return in progress. In formula terms, that looks like equals if, open parenthesis, status at row equals completed, comma, done, comma, in progress, close parenthesis. Press enter to confirm. Conditions often use comparison operators. The most common are equals, greater than, and less than, so you might check whether quantity is greater than 10, or whether due date is less than today. If you're comparing text, remember to wrap text in quotation marks. If you're comparing numbers, don't use quotes. You can also make your logic smarter by combining if with other functions like AND or OR. For instance, you might return ready to ship only when status equals completed and quantity is greater than 0, using if with AND inside the parentheses. That way, both conditions must be true. Quick note while we're here, I've placed a link at the top of the description to the official Smartsheet site, where you can access the web app or grab the desktop and mobile downloads if you prefer the app experience. Once your formula works in one cell, you can reuse it. Right-click the cell, choose copy, and paste it into other rows. Smartsheet adjusts references automatically using the add row notation, so each row evaluates its own data. You can also drag the fill handle down to apply it faster. If something doesn't look right, check for errors. Make sure your column names match exactly, confirm that text values are in quotes, and look for any missing parentheses or commas. Smartsheet will flag syntax issues to help you fix them quickly. That's it. If statements in Smartsheet help automate decisions so your data stays clear, consistent, and actionable. Thanks for watching.